What's up friends, welcome back to Drew tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete bulk emails in your Gmail. So you want to go ahead and open up the Gmail app, and you want to go ahead and start searching for those emails that you want to delete. So let's say I want to delete anything with the word YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and click the search there and type in YouTube, right? Then go ahead and click search, and you will see that it start to show me all those emails with the name YouTube. Now in order to bulk delete this, I'm going to press and hold one of them. It's going to bring up a bunch of options there, and I'm going to go ahead and select all on the upper left hand side. Now as you can see, it selects over 100 records. So all I have to do now is just simply click and delete in the upper right, and as you can see, it managed to delete 100 emails. Now there's still a few more that I need to delete, so I'm going to do the same step again. Press and hold one, then click and select all, and another 100 will be deleted once I hit delete. And I continue this process, guys, until all of those emails that I want to get deleted will be deleted. And that's it. That's how you go ahead, guys, and bulk delete emails in your Gmail. Very easy and very simple. I hope you found value here within this video, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.